Hello friends, today we are going to prepare chicken salad as our dinner and which will be very healthy, almost no oil. So let's start cooking. First, we will not use olive oil. First we'll add few drops of normal oil, this much only, and then we'll add the chopped garlic. Here I am using the tongs. Saute it for some time. Till it turns golden brown. You can increase the flame of the gas, but after some time you need to reduce it. See, the garlic is turning brown and we can feel the aroma. Now we are going to add onion cubes into it. Adding a pinch of salt, which will help the onion to saute faster. Wait for 1 minute and then we'll add all the cut fresh veggies into it. After 2 minutes of frying, you can see the onions are translucent now. Now we are going to add all the cut veggies. It's according to your choice. We have added mushroom, broccoli, capsicum, carrot, spinach as well. Now after this we are going to add spinach. Yes, we add it. Just see, this almost without oil, but we will add oil after this time. After this you can add, mix it properly. Now you can add little more salt, and add the spinach. Add on. Now we'll add the sweet corn, which is already boiled. Add the black pepper for taste. We are making chicken salad. Vegetarians can add paneer cubes instead of chicken, or tofu or soya chunk according to their choice. Now mix it well and cover with a lid and keep it around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you remove the lid and see the condition of the veggies. It is almost cooked right here. Now we are going to add the chicken, already marinated, like this. Give some space here, give some space. See, this is a veg stock only, nothing else, no oil. We are just adding the strips of chicken which is already marinated with salt and ginger garlic paste, nothing else. Now we'll cook it. As it is marinated for a long time, around more than an hour, and it is very thin strips like this, so it won't take much time. Now I can increase the heat of the or intensity of the heat, and then we'll see what will happen. We will not start immediately. Let the chicken cook for some time. Then we'll just flip it, and then we'll mix it with the rest of the veggies. Now after 2 minutes, if you are turning the chicken, you can see it started cooking. Don't mix with the veggies, just turn it. Yes, started. Now we are going to season this with hot sauce and soy sauce, which will actually enrich the taste of the meat, so you will love it. If you have other sauce like anything else like garlic sauce or Yorkshire sauce and anything of your choice, or you can add what is that Korean? Gochujang and all this. Now we'll add the green chili sauce and the soy sauce into it. Soy. I'm using here dark soy. Not much. You can add around 2 tablespoons. Now add a little black pepper. Then stir fry it in high flame, of course. Now almost ready. As it is in high flame, we can actually add a little bit of olive oil, just drizzling, not much. That's almost ready. Now the preparation is ready. You just dry You can cover it for 2-3 minutes again. Cover it and your chicken salad is ready.